I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have a serious topic to talk to you about today. I have a lot of good dolly friends on YouTube, and we all do. It's a doll community, and we watch each other's videos, and we comment, and we chit-chat in our comments, and it's wonderful. There is a subscriber you may or may not know about that lost 799 subscribers. She had 800 subscribers, looked at her page one day, and they were gone except one. That's ridiculous. We've all had the YouTube glitch that has taken some of our subscribers, and we all know it's true. I must have resubscribed to Ruby Red's World of Dolls 4 times. It would keep kicking me out. And I went to her channel and watched all of her videos. I don't miss too many of her videos. And I leave a comment and I leave a like. And yet, a YouTube glitch unsubscribed me. So let's stick together in this. Let's support Christina at the Doll House. It's D-A-L-L House. And go to her page, subscribe, and support her. Watch her videos, like her videos, leave her a comment, because tomorrow it could be you that wakes up and all but one of your subscribers is gone. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.